Do you also want this intense eye makeup? This actually looks awesome. Let's do it. I'm covering my eyes with concealer, and if you have dark circles, just use neutralizer first and filling my eyebrows. Firstly, I'm blending the beige shade on the crease and applying brown shade on the outer corner and eyelid also, and blending it nicely. Then again I'm blending beige color on my brow bone, making a cut crease with the help of concealer. Setting it with loose powder. Before using golden glitter, I am applying shimmer. I am applying some golden particles on my eyelid. After that, I am using blue shadow as liner and blending it lightly. And again using brown shade on the outer corner. Concealer helps to highlight the eye area. Applying it evenly. And at last, the mascara part. This is my personal favorite. Applying highlighter on my brow bones. And ta-da! This is how my eyes are looking.